My name is Tony Richards. I'm Project Manager for BAM Construction. I've been involved in the project since July 2012 and I'm responsible for delivering the project through from commencement to completion and sort of client satisfaction. Our client is Stowford Developments and the ultimate client is the occupier of the building, which is Simply Health. The building is about 55,000 square feet in area, 7 stories in total. You've got a 2-storey car park below it with about 40 spaces. Very prestigious location here in the top of Bristol at Clifton. We had the Bristol Planning Department and the Conservation Officer heavily involved in the design of the facade of the building. At a very early stage, they insisted they wanted Bath stone. And that's why we've got Taylor Maxwell involved in the early stages, in the design process. They were heavily involved in obviously the procurement process. And the bricks were all handmade, all the quarter bricks, all the half bricks for the suitable sort of Flemish bond coursing which you see on the building. Well, the lintels which are supporting the tops of the windows are actually called Vissois lintels. Each brick comes as a block and then is hand carved. Another important feature of the facade of the building is the underslung Bath stone lintel. This is fixed back to the structural frame of the building and it supports the brickwork facade. A lot of coordination involved in the planning of these units. They weighed between sort of 2 and 5 tons per unit. So we went to Taylor Maxwell for them to find a suitable manufacturer to ensure that the coordination and the planning design of those units and getting them to site was absolutely spot on. And the final product that Taylor Maxwell supplied for us was the grey Vobster stone, which runs around the perimeter of the building. And that's a wet cast concrete product with a sort of smooth and textured finish. The purpose of that is slightly different to the Bath stone. It's for weathering purposes and it chose grey as the colour. Confidence in the supply chain is everything to our company, so that's why we chose Taylor Maxwell to work with us on this project.